Hello everyone. In this video I will be opening the Scalable Capital account really quickly. So let's just get into the website and let's see how it goes. So here we are. I will be helping Ehsan's YouTube channel for this. So I will be using his link in the description so that he also gets something in return because he makes good content. Start now. Let's see. So I will be giving my email address. Please verify your email address, and I will be looking at my Gmail. So I received an email. It took just a few seconds, I believe 30 seconds or so. So I have received an email, and then I clicked on confirm my email address, and then I landed on this page. 3 steps to your security account. Select your free prime. Okay. Personal details for the account opening. Okay. And okay, let's see. Identify deposit money and get started. So we'll go with the free broker. That's cost effective. Select Mr. Nothing. Now I will be filling up all the details of mine. So I added my address and then my phone number. So it is asking for my German tax ID, which is optional, but I will share it. So I just gave the email and password. Now I will click next. And now it is asking for my IBAN number. I will give my IBAN number. So I gave my IBAN number. Now it is asking the initial deposit. You transfer funds to your Bharat bank clearing account, but I don't have a Bharat bank clearing account. Convenient is we collect from your account via SEPA mandate. So SEPA is nothing but a mandate, so it will be automatically deducted from your account. The amount could be €1, I think so. Yes, it could be. Please make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account. Yeah, €1 I have. So I will be making it like €25, not because I'm rich, but because 25 looks good. Now I will be checking this details and it looks good. I will say continue. Now there is a declaration here and I will say okay, submit application for free broker. So I'm from India, so this is why they are asking for my passport number. I will give it to them. So I gave my passport number to them. So this is giving me 3 options: EID, video chat, and branch visit option. EID is really complicated. Actually, you need to create 5-digit PIN and also 4-digit PIN with 2 apps. So it is actually complicated and time consuming. Video chat, it is good, but it is not the correct time to call them because it is late night for me and also for them. The branch option is too good actually here in Germany because you just need to visit a branch, a good branch where you can just give them your document, they will verify it and they will send you back. And it will just take 2 to 3 days to send them the confirmation from Scalable Capital. So I will choose a method. I will choose local office post. I will choose download a coupon, and here is the coupon. So I have downloaded the coupon now. So I did most of the stuffs from my side. The only thing remaining here is I just need to visit the post office to verify my documents like residence permit and my passport, which I will be doing tomorrow. And here it is saying on the website that it will take around 3 working days to open my account and they will directly charge me from my bank account. Okay, this was all. Thank you so much for watching. You can use the link in the description below to help me grow this channel. and I'll see you in the next video.